Welcome back, I'm Creator's Name, and today we're cutting through the noise on natural skincare. Forget the DIY lemon and baking soda disasters. This is about evidence-backed, gentle ingredients that deliver real results. Natural doesn't always mean safe or effective, so we're ingredient-focused here. Skincare should be effective, accessible, and never harmful. There's a lot of misinformation out there, but today, we're getting specific. We'll cover 5 natural ingredients and methods that truly benefit your skin. You'll learn why they work, how to use them, and which skin types they suit best. If you want skincare that respects your skin barrier, hit like, subscribe, and let's dive in. Now let's get started. Let's start with cleansing, the very foundation of any effective skincare routine. It's the crucial first step that sets the stage for everything else you apply to your skin. A clean canvas allows serums and moisturizers to penetrate more effectively, maximizing their benefits. Harsh, stripping cleansers that leave your skin feeling tight and dry? No thanks. We're aiming for healthy, balanced skin, not a desert landscape. That squeaky clean feeling that some cleansers promise is actually a red flag. It often means your skin barrier, your skin's protective shield, is damaged and compromised. Enter oil cleansing, gentle, effective, and perfect for removing even the most stubborn makeup, waterproof sunscreen, and excess oil without stripping your skin of its natural moisture. It's a surprisingly nourishing way to cleanse. The science behind it? It's simple, like dissolves like. Cleansing oils work by binding to dirt, impurities, and excess sebum on your skin's surface, effectively melting them away. This process preserves your skin's natural lipids, the essential fats that keep it healthy and hydrated. Now, it's important to remember that not all oils are created equal when it comes to skincare. It's best to avoid using kitchen oils directly on your face. Some, like olive oil or coconut oil, have the potential to clog pores and lead to breakouts, especially for those with oily or acne-prone skin. Jojoba oil is generally considered a top pick for oil cleansing because it closely mimics your skin's natural sebum, helping to balance oil production. It's also generally well tolerated and works effectively for most skin types, from dry to oily. Sweet almond oil is another excellent option, particularly for those with dry skin. However, it's crucial to be mindful of potential nut allergies before using it. So, how do you actually oil cleanse? Start by massaging a quarter-sized amount of your chosen oil onto dry skin for a full minute. Be sure to focus on areas where you tend to have more congestion or makeup buildup. Next, add a splash of warm water to emulsify the oil, transforming it into a milky consistency. Finally, rinse your face thoroughly with warm water, or gently remove the remaining oil with a soft, damp cloth. Now, if you have oily or acne-prone skin, you might be hesitant to use oil. But don't worry, you can simply follow up with a gentle, water-based cleanser after oil cleansing. This is known as the double cleanse method, and it's a fantastic way to ensure your skin is thoroughly clean without being stripped. The oil cleanser effectively removes oil-based impurities like makeup and sebum, while the second cleanse then removes any remaining sweat, dirt, and residue. After cleansing, your skin should feel clean, soft, and balanced, not tight, dry, or irritated. That's the sign of a healthy cleanse. As a general rule, it's best to avoid using coconut oil directly on your face, as it's highly comedogenic for many people, meaning it's likely to clog pores. Instead, stick to non-comedogenic oils like jojoba or squalane, which are less likely to cause breakouts. Oil cleansing isn't just a trend, it's a science-backed technique that can effectively support and strengthen your skin barrier. So, if traditional cleansers consistently leave your skin feeling dry, tight, or irritated, give oil cleansing a try. Just remember the key steps. Choose the right oil for your skin type, apply it to a dry face, massage for a full minute to dissolve impurities, and follow up with a gentle cleanse if needed. Ultimately, it's about working your skin's natural processes, not against them. Oil cleansing has the potential to completely transform your skincare routine. You might even find yourself ditching those harsh, stripping cleansers for good. When you respect and support your skin barrier, you'll undoubtedly see a noticeable difference in the overall health and appearance of your skin. This isn't just another fleeting trend, it's a smarter, more effective, and gentler way to cleanse your skin. Give oil cleansing a try, and we're confident your skin will thank you for it. Remember, selecting the right oil can make all the difference in your oil cleansing experience. Your skin deserves the most gentle and nourishing care you can provide. Oil cleansing. It's simple, it's effective, and it's a wonderfully natural approach to skincare. So, are you ready to upgrade your cleansing game and experience the transformative benefits of oil cleansing? If so, let's move on to the next step in building your perfect skincare routine. Next up, exfoliation. But let's ditch the sandpaper approach, shall we? Forget harsh scrubs that leave your skin red and raw. Gentle is the goal. Think soft cloths, light pressure, and ingredients that love your skin, not attack it. Enter colloidal oatmeal. This isn't your breakfast cereal, it's a centuries-old FDA-recognized skin protectant. It works wonders to soothe and gently exfoliates without irritation. It's a true multitasker for sensitive skin. Oatmeal contains saponins for mild cleansing, acting as a natural gentle soap. It also boasts beta-glucans for intense hydration, drawing moisture deep into the skin layers and plumping them up from within. And let's not forget the avenanthramides, powerful antioxidants that provide anti-inflammatory benefits, calming redness and irritation. It's perfect for sensitive, red, or irritated skin, offering relief and comfort where other exfoliants might cause further damage, especially if you can't tolerate acids or other common exfoliating ingredients. It's a gentle alternative that still delivers results. Look for cleansers or masks specifically formulated with colloidal oatmeal for an easy way to incorporate it into your routine. Or, for a truly DIY approach, make your own. Simply grind plain, unflavored oats into a fine powder using a blender or food processor. Mix the oat powder with water, honey for extra hydration, or yogurt for a probiotic boost to form a smooth, spreadable paste. Apply the paste to clean, damp skin, creating an even layer over your face, and leave it on for 10-15 minutes. But don't let it dry out completely. Keep it moist by spritzing with water or applying a damp cloth over your face. When the time is up, rinse gently with lukewarm water, avoiding hot water which can further irritate sensitive skin. As you rinse, use soft circular motions to gently massage the paste into your skin, providing a mild and effective exfoliation. After rinsing, your skin should feel calm, soft, and smooth, not raw, tight, or irritated. Incorporate this into your routine once or twice a week for a gentle reset, helping to maintain healthy and balanced skin. Oatmeal buffs away dullness, revealing brighter skin, all while hydrating and calming any inflammation. It's a true multitasker that respects your skin barrier, helping to keep it strong and healthy. Remember, exfoliation doesn't have to be aggressive to be effective. Oatmeal proves that gentle can be incredibly effective, delivering visible results without compromising your skin's health. Dealing with sensitive or over-exfoliated skin. Oatmeal is your go-to ingredient for soothing relief and gentle repair. It's affordable, easily accessible, and incredibly kind to your skin, making it a staple in any skincare routine. So rethink your approach to exfoliation. Choose nourishment and gentleness over harshness and irritation. Oatmeal is more than just a skincare ingredient. It's a gentle ritual, a moment of self-care, not a punishment for your skin. It's about supporting your skin's natural functions, not stressing it out with harsh chemicals or abrasive scrubs. For calm, glowing, and healthy skin, oatmeal is a must-try. Let's keep our skincare routines gentle, effective, and kind. Oatmeal, truly the kindest exfoliant you can find. Ready for the next ingredient spotlight? Let's dive into the world of hydration and discover some more skin-loving secrets. Hydration hero Aloe Vera. A true gift from nature, aloe vera has been cherished for centuries for its remarkable soothing and hydrating properties. It's more than just a sunburn remedy. It's a versatile skincare staple that can address a multitude of skin concerns, from minor irritations to chronic dryness. Pure aloe gel is 99% water, making it an incredibly effective hydrator. This high water content allows it to penetrate the skin easily, delivering moisture where it's needed most. Lightweight, deeply hydrating, and suitable for all skin types. Whether you have oily, dry, sensitive, or combination skin, aloe vera can be a beneficial addition to your routine. The remaining 1% is packed with antioxidants, A, C, E, which help to protect the skin from free radical damage and promote a youthful appearance. Enzymes and anti-inflammatory compounds. These components work synergistically to calm inflammation, reduce redness, and promote healing. Aloe soothes, hydrates, and protects, creating a trifecta of benefits for your skin. It's a gentle yet powerful ingredient that can address a variety of concerns. Great for breakouts, redness, or dry patches. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help to calm acne flare-ups, while its hydrating abilities can alleviate dryness and flakiness. But quality matters. Not all aloe vera products are created equal, and it's important to choose wisely to reap the full benefits. Avoid green, alcohol, or fragrance-filled gels. These additives can irritate the skin and negate the beneficial effects of the aloe. Look for Aloe barbadensis leaf juice as the first ingredient indicating a high concentration of pure aloe. Ideally, 99% pure with safe preservatives. This ensures that you're getting the most potent and effective form of aloe vera. Fresh from the plant is best for spot treatments, providing the most concentrated dose of beneficial compounds. But bottled pure aloe is more practical for daily use. It's convenient, readily available, and can be easily incorporated into your skincare routine. Use aloe as a hydrating layer after cleansing and toning, preparing your skin to receive the full benefits of your subsequent skincare products. Apply to damp skin, then seal with moisturizer. This helps to lock in the hydration and create a protective barrier against moisture loss. It acts as a humectant, drawing water in, attracting moisture from the air and binding it to your skin, while your moisturizer locks it in, preventing the water from evaporating and keeping your skin hydrated for longer. For extra soothing, use as a mask, providing an intensive treatment for dry, irritated, or inflamed skin. Chill the gel, apply thickly for an extra cooling and refreshing sensation that can help to calm redness and inflammation. Leave for 20 minutes, then rinse. This allows the aloe vera to fully penetrate the skin and deliver its beneficial properties. Aloe calms irritation and delivers a dewy glow. It's a simple yet effective way to achieve healthy, radiant skin. Always check the ingredient list, paying close attention to the concentration of aloe and the presence of any potentially irritating additives. Purity is key. The higher the purity, the more effective the aloe vera will be. Don't be fooled by marketing or color. Clear aloe vera gel is generally a sign of purity, while green gels may contain added colorants. Pure aloe is a gift of hydration and calm, offering a natural and effective way to soothe and nourish your skin. It's a timeless staple for a reason. Its benefits have been recognized and appreciated for generations. Hydrate, soothe, and protect with aloe. Embrace the power of this natural ingredient for healthy, radiant skin. Simple, effective, and natural. Aloe vera offers a straightforward approach to skincare with remarkable results. Make it a core part of your routine. Consistent use of aloe vera can lead to significant improvements in your skin's hydration, texture, and overall appearance. Your skin will thank you. Experience the transformative power of aloe vera and unlock your skin's natural radiance. Aloe hydration, healing, and glow in one. A true multitasker for achieving your skincare goals. Ready for the next step? Let's continue our journey to discover more skincare secrets. Let's talk toners. Discover how these often overlooked products can enhance your skincare routine. Time to rethink toners. No more alcohol or harsh astringents. A modern toner should hydrate and treat, not strip. Enter green tea, a powerhouse antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. Green tea's EZCG neutralizes free radicals, protecting skin from pollution and UV damage. It calms redness, soothes irritation, and can help balance oil production. Perfect for acne-prone or sensitive skin. Use a green tea toner or essence, or make your own brew strong green tea. Cool completely and store in the fridge. Apply after cleansing. Spritz or pat on with a cotton round. It refreshes, calms, and preps your skin for serums and moisturizer. Always use fresh, refrigerated DIY toner. Replace every 3-4 days for safety. Green tea is especially great in the morning for antioxidant protection. Antioxidants and sunscreen are a dream team. Double up for extra defense. Green tea toner is a simple, effective way to boost your routine. It hydrates, soothes, and shields your skin. Forget old-school toners. Choose ones that add value. Green tea is gentle, protective, and supports skin health. It's a small switch with big benefits. Calm, clear, and protected skin starts here. Upgrade your toner, upgrade your skin. Green tea, the ultimate natural toner. Let's move to our final treatment. Honey mask time. Let's finish with a luxurious, effective treatment, the honey mask. Use raw, unpasteurized honey manuka if possible for maximum benefits. Honey is a natural humectant, drawing moisture into the skin for a soft, dewy finish. It's also antibacterial and anti-inflammatory, making it perfect for acne-prone or irritated skin. Manuka honey is especially potent with high MGO for healing and antibacterial action. To use on a clean, damp face, smooth a tablespoon of honey over your skin. Leave for 15-20 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Your skin will feel calm, hydrated, and glowing, no sticky residue. Do this once or twice a week for a gentle reset. For extra benefits, mix in oat powder for exfoliation or a pinch of turmeric for brightening. Just beware of staining. Honey is nature's multitasker. It moisturizes, clarifies, calms, and heals. No harsh chemicals, just pure nourishment. It's a simple, one-ingredient wonder that transforms your skin. Invest in quality honey for real results. Sometimes the best solutions are straight from nature. Try a honey mask and see the glow for yourself. It's gentle, effective, and feels like a treat. Your skin will love it. Now let's wrap up your natural skincare journey. There you have it. 5 natural skincare tips that truly work and respect your skin barrier. Always patch test before trying something new. Everyone's skin is unique. Share your favorite natural ingredients or tips in the comments. Let's learn and glow together. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more ingredient-focused skincare. Thanks for watching and being part of this community. See you in the next video. Bye.